one, we're going to graph this system of linear inequalities, and we're going to determine if it's bounded or unbounded and find corner points. So these two right here stating this just means we're in quadrant 1 because it's bounded by x is positive and y is positive. And for these, the way I'm going to graph these is use x and y intercepts. So for this one, it's going to be if x is 0, y is 6, and if y is 0, x will be 2. And for this one, if x is 0, y is 2, and if y is 0, x is going to be 1. And I'm just solving for x and y there. And that's how we're going to graph those. Okay, so for the first ones, we have x is positive and y is positive. These are all solid lines, so that's why we have the equals. So that means we're shading up from the y equals 0 line and shading to the right for the x equals 0. Now the other two we have to graph. So we had 3x plus y is less than or equal to 6. So my y-intercept was 6. So I go up to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's when x is 0. When y is 0, we get 2. All right, so I'm going to try to graph this as much as possible. Something like that. You have to use your imagination a little bit. All right, and then for the other equation, we had 2x plus y is less than or equal to 2. So we have y-intercept at 2, and we had x-intercept at 1. So let me try to graph that one. And something like that. Now both of these are less than. So both of these are less than. It means you're shading down. However, if you shade on this one down, we can't count it because it doesn't include the purple line. So this line right here has to be shaded down as well. So what you have is this area shaded in here. You can't, this area, if you shade this area, it doesn't satisfy this equation. So we can't count that. So I'm going to erase that. And therefore, this is our bounded area. It is bounded. We have 3 corner points. And my 3 corner points would be 0, 0. This one would be 0, 2. And this one is 1, 0. Okay? That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.